Hey there, everyone. If you're making these financial mistakes, you could be ruining your future. If you're serious about becoming financially stable, this video is just for you. Today, we're talking about 5 big financial mistakes that you absolutely want to avoid. If you can steer clear of these, you'll be well on your way to securing your financial future. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, not having an emergency fund. The first mistake is a big one, not having an emergency fund. A lot of people save for their future goals, but they forget to have a safety net for emergencies. This can be a huge problem. Emergency fund. Studies show that about 60% of Americans don't have an emergency fund. Picture this. Your car breaks down or there's a sudden medical emergency and you don't have an emergency fund. How do you deal with that? This is why an emergency fund is a must. Financial experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up for emergencies. By avoiding this mistake, you're taking control of your future. So start building your emergency fund today. Mistake number 2, ignoring retirement planning. Second, many people make the mistake of ignoring retirement planning. When we're young, it feels like retirement is so far away. But the earlier you start, the better it is for you. The earlier you start planning for retirement, the more you'll benefit from compounding. Even a small amount invested each month can grow into a significant sum by the time you retire. If you invest just $100 a month, that could turn into $150,000 plus over 30 years. So if you want a secure financial future, don't skip on retirement planning. Get started today. Mistake number 3, living above your means. Next up, mistake number 3, living beyond your means. We all want the good life, but unless you can balance your income with your expenses, you're not going to be financially secure. Overspending, impulse shopping, all of these things hurt your financial future. It's crucial to track your spending and set a solid budget. It may feel good to spend now, but it can have serious consequences on your financial stability later. Set a budget, stick to it, and control your spending. Mistake number 4, not investing early. Fourth mistake, not investing early. If you're just keeping your money in a savings account, it won't grow enough to beat inflation. Investing is your ticket to growing your money. Whether it's in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate, investing helps you build long-term wealth. When you start early, you take full advantage of compounding and your money works for you. So get into the habit of investing and secure your future. Mistake number 5, not educating yourself about finances. And the fifth and final mistake, not educating yourself about finances. If you don't understand how money works, you won't be able to hit your financial goals. Financial literacy is absolutely crucial. You need to understand things like budgeting, taxes, investments, and saving. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Being financially educated gives you the power to take control of your future. Start learning today and take charge of your finances. So those were the 5 financial mistakes you need to avoid. By steering clear of these, you'll be setting yourself up for a secure financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great financial tips. Comment below and let me know which financial mistake you're going to fix first. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be sharing even more useful financial tips. Until then, take care of your financial future. Bye for now.